to GHRC's News Desk. This is your host Priyanka Sharma and I am back again. Now whenever I come back, I always have some update regarding GHRC. So here again, I'll start quickly with the Toppers Award, Peer Teachers Award ceremony and Parents-Teacher Meet held at GHRC. Toppers Award and Peer Teachers Award function for awareness of session 2018-19 and 2019-20 along with Parents Meet was conducted on 8th August 2020 at 3 p.m. for awardees. The ceremony and meet was conducted online through WebEx platform. The program started with National Anthem and Saraswati Vandana. Professor Milinda Khanapurkar, Deputy Director and Dean Academics welcomed all student awardees and parents. He presented preamble in which rules, regulations and process carried out for ceremony was explained. Professor Sachin Untawale, Director, presented the welcome address. In his address, he explained about the achievements and initiatives of the college. Heads of various departments felicitated section-wise the first and second toppers of their departments for session 2018-19 and 19-20. Professor Sachin Untawale, Director, felicitated year-wise gold medal winners of each department. Professor Milinda Khanapurkar, Deputy Director and Dean Academics, felicitated the awards to student peer teachers. Mr. Atharva Devlikar was awarded with Special Contribution Award for his excellent contribution in GHRC's News Desk. Each topper awardee was felicitated with Outstanding Performance Certificate, cash prize of Rs 5,000 for first topper and Rs 2,500 for second topper. Year-wise, topper was awarded with a gold medal for every branch. Peer teachers were awarded with a certificate and honorarium. Finally, at the end, the parents and awardees' views and feedbacks were taken. Parents of Mr. Gaurav Patil, Mr. Sham Kashivar, Ms. Surmai Mukherjee, Mr. Sarang Gajapure, Ms. Palak Rawat, Mr. Ravindra Udapure, Mr. Sankul Anmadwar, Ms. Mansi Chaudhary and few students appreciated the efforts taken by the institute for successfully organizing the event. The program was successfully conducted in online mode. The program ended with a vote of thanks proposed by Professor Pramod Warke, Deputy Director and Dean, IQAC. Moving ahead, you can see some glimpses of interaction with parents. The another news I have is about Conclave on Transformational Reforms in Higher Education under NEP 2020 on 7th August 2020. UGC. MHRD is organized a day-long conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under National Education Policy 2020. This was held on 7th August 2020. Inaugural address in the conclave was delivered by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The prominent members were present during inauguration. Those were Dr. D.P. Singh, Chairman UGC, Professor Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, Chairman AICTE, Shri Amit Khare, Secretary HE, Shri Sanjay Dhote, Honorable Minister of State for HRD, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal, Honorable Minister of HRD, Dr. K. Kasturi Ranjan, Chairman Committee for Draft of National Education Policy, session on holistic, multidisciplinary and futuristic education, catalyzing quality research, equitable use of technology for better reach in education were conducted during the conclave by eminent speakers from IITs, Vice Chancellors and Directors of prominent institutions in the country. These sessions were chaired by Dr. D.P. Singh, Chairman UGC, Professor K. Vijay Raghavan, Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India, and Professor Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, Chairman AICTE. The conclave concluded around 4 p.m. Third news I have is about report on 14th Board of Studies meeting held on 8th August 2020. An admirable institution does not satisfy just by wisdom. Sitting in classes, listening to teacher, memorizing pre-packaged coursework, and expelling out answers. They must talk about what they are learning, writing effectively about it, relating it to the past experiences, and applying it to their daily lives. GHRC's College of Engineering, Nagpur, also believes in the same. So on 8th August 2020, 14th Board of Studies meeting was organized by Department of Management Studies. This meeting was conducted online, again by the WebEx platform. The external members of the meeting were Dr. Neerpal Rathi, faculty member from Indian Institute of Management, Nagpur, Dr. Subrata Mitra, faculty member from Institute of Management Technology, Nagpur, Mr. Nilesh Panpalia, Chief Financial Officer, Solar Explosive Limited, Nagpur, Industry Representative, and Mr. Harshal Rinke, Financial Service Consultant for Partnership Distribution Channel ICICI, Nagpur. Our own alumnus, in fact. The internal members who attended the meeting were Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director GHRC Nagpur, Permanent Invitee Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D and Chairman Board of Studies, Professor Sachiv Kumar, Head Department of Management Studies, Dr. Dilip Kumar Singh, Professor Janmajay Shukla, Professor Nausheen Maladhari, faculty member of the department, and our student representative, Ms. Purva Srirang. The objective behind the conduction of this practicum was to have brainstorming session on possible changes in curriculum of business management, so as to make student industry ready after the successful completion of their MBA program. All the invitees in the meeting discussed on various aspects of academics. In this, worthy acknowledging that all the students of MBA semester 3rd are pursuing industry internship and work from home of normal mode. Finally, Professor Sanjeev Kumar, Head Department of Management Studies, proposed the vote of thanks. Last news I have is webinar on stress management and wellness through Sahaj Yoga. It was held on 25th of July. All GHRC students attended it around 3:30 p.m. GH Raisoni College of Engineering organized a webinar on stress management and wellness through Sahaj Yoga in association with Sahaj Yoga National School Propagation Team. Expert talk was given by Mrs. Sonali Patole, Computer Science Engineering, Pune, for all GHRC Nagpur students on 25th of July on online mode using WebEx. She was explaining students about how to manage stress through the yoga, especially in COVID-19. What does this meditation can do, which includes improving health, memory, focus, creativity, confidence, and efficiency of work. She also explained how it will affect the other organs of the body. She has taken practical sessions in which she explained how to do meditation and different postures of the body, which will help you to get relaxed with your mind. Around 551 students have taken the benefit of the session, and this was coordinated by Professor Sanjay Wankhede and Professor Payal Gutke from Electronics Engineering Department. Apart from this, GHRC provides guidance under the AICTE Margadarshan scheme. Being Mentor Institute under Margadarshan scheme, AICTE New Delhi for 10 plus institute in state, GHRC always extends helping hand for the Mentee Institute for undergoing MBA process. Under this, AICTE appointed Margadarshak Dr. Harikumar Naidu, Professor, Electrical Engineering, visited Mentee Institute, GHRIET, that is GH Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Technology, Shraddha Park, Nagpur, to initiate the process of NBA accreditation on 29 July 2020. The meeting was held in the chamber of Dr. Vivek Kapoor, principal, in the presence of senior staff members of the college, keeping the social distancing norms. This is the first step towards marching ahead in the process of NBA accreditation of the college, since all issues to comply as per NBA criterion norms were discussed. Having presented all of these news, there is some underlying fact which I want to reiterate to you. That even when COVID-19, a pandemic-like situation is prevailing, your colleges are leaving no stone unturned to take the bar higher with every single step. Be it NBA visits, be it reforming their education system, be it holding meetings which are related to your studies. So be assured that your colleges are literally taking extra effort to ensure that whenever you are going through your education, you are receiving the best of its quality. Now coming back to you, you and I meet every week. Every week we kind of discuss what is happening with the college, but this time I leave you with a question here. Are you making most out of your week every week? Please do it, because this might be a situation where everything looks uncertain, but there is one thing which is very certain. Once things come back to the normalcy, the one who will be making most of his or her time during this pandemic will be the one who will be outshining every single other child in the comparison. Alright, so leaving you behind with positivity, hope and confidence, this is Priyanka Sharma signing off, wishing you all the best for all the endeavors that you ever put your hands on. Thank you.